Today we will be demonstrating how to cut a cucumber Katsuramuki style. This is a Japanese cutting technique to produce a Julienne cut for vegetables. We're going to use an English cucumber. First we're going to cut the ends off, take the plastic off and wash it. So here I've already done that. Then we're going to cut this, depends on the size of the cucumber, we're going to cut it roughly into thirds. Well, let's measure it here. Got a sheet of nori, and we're going to want our cuts to be roughly half the size of the sheet of nori. We don't want our cucumber to be sticking out the edges, so let's see here. We don't want to exceed 4 1/4 inches for these cuts. I think in this case we're going to cut it into fourths. Now at this point, what we want to do is start to peel the skin off the cucumber here. We're going to take it in one hand and our knife in the other and line it up just like this and start to peel just under the skin. Now once we get our knife just underneath the skin, we can use our other hand to rotate the cucumber and our thumb and fingers to sort of shimmy the knife up and down while we rotate the cucumber into the knife. Sort of peel away the surface. And we're just going to continue all the way around until we've reached the seeds in the center. So we've peeled one of our sections of cucumber here, and we just wanted to give you a different angle on the cut. So we'll start on our second piece. What we want to do is get the knife just under, we start to peel the surface of the skin here, and we can rotate with our offhand. We can rotate with our offhand the cucumber into the knife, as with our knife hand and the thumb on the cucumber, we can kind of shimmy the cucumber up and down with the knife and just slowly peel off the surface. And we're going to go all the way around, continue to peel until we reach the center. Get these sheets in here and just pat them dry. Now what we're going to do is sort of stack them up on top of each other here, and I like to mix and match your skin, the darker parts of the cucumbers with the lighter parts, so that when we're finished we don't have just the lighter part of the cucumber and just the darker part of the cucumber. We'll have them all mixed together. Okay, and from here we're going to start. So once we have the cucumbers peeled and dried, what we're going to do here is stack them up, and then I'm just going to cut from right to left. I'm going to do a Julienne style cut. And here we have our finished product, a nice Julienne cucumbers using the Katsuramuki style method. And we usually just use these for inside of sushi rolls. Now for storage, we just recommend a Tupperware. And we're going to put a sheet of paper towel at the bottom for a Tupperware to help take any excess moisture. We'll label and date it, and it's ready for storage.